5 ways to prolong the pleasure in sex. The numbers don't lie. Most couples take 5 to 10 minutes to reach orgasm. How to prolong the pleasure in bed for him and for her. 5 effective tricks. Watch your breath. Premature orgasm has a lot to do with how you and your partner breathe. Accelerated breathing is one of the signals of an approaching sexual denouement. If you take control of the frequency of inhalations and exhalations and at the right moment you can breathe more slowly and deeply, then you will almost certainly prolong the desired effect. Use the language. A tricky trick to prolong sexual intercourse is to use the tongue. No, it's not about oral sex or empty talk. Do you feel ready to complete your sexual pleasures? Run your tongue across the upper palate behind your teeth. Itchy will almost certainly slow down a pleasant denouement for a while, and you can enjoy the process even longer. Do intimate exercises. Another sure way to prolong sexual intercourse for a woman is to train the muscles of the pelvic floor with Kegel exercises. The classic version, within 10 seconds, quickly squeeze and unclench the muscles of the vagina, then rest for the same amount. Do this exercise for 3 sets several times a day. Such intimate physical education is not only useful in prolonging sexual intercourse, but also helps a woman prepare for childbirth, restores tissues after the birth of a child, and is a prevention of many inflammatory processes in the genital area. Change your posture. Properly chosen sexual positions can also delay pleasure. The big trinity of sacred positions. Man on top, the partner should limit the amplitude and slow down the rhythm of movement, breathe deeply and tighten the abdominal muscles. Woman on top, a simple way to prolong sexual intercourse without additional stress, especially if the man does not take a lying position, but is half-sitting. The on-the-side position requires the least physical effort from both partners, just slightly swaying the body is enough. Don't forget the prelude. The most gentle version of prolonged pleasure is a protracted foreplay. Many partners during sex are too passionate about their own excitability and want to take advantage of the situation as quickly as possible. At this moment, this is especially true for men. They are nervous and anxious, because everything is going too well and they do not want to lose their ardor. Now imagine that lovemaking is not a marathon, but a moment of relaxation and pleasure. Arrange a romantic foreplay for each other, flirt with a partner, tease him, turn what is happening into a tempting game where everyone enjoys the distance, and does not strive for the finish. Then the question of how to prolong sexual intercourse will disappear by itself.